Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing the HorrorPack. And HorrorPack is a Blu-ray subscription pack. You get 4, and it's like 30 something a month, and which is a good deal for 4. And it's all horror all day long. So you probably guessed from the title. They're in here, and they're in the box in here, pretty safe. I've never had a broken one. Yeah, and a lot of stores are not selling DVDs and Blu-rays anymore. I guess they're selling more of the 4K. We don't even have a 4K. We have a 4K TV, but not a 4K player. So I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, let's get into this. So Blu-rays still are something that I can get behind. But funny thing, as I say that, the Forever Purge 4K edition. So, but that's cool that you do get 4K sometimes in these packages. It says one night is not enough. And if you know the Purge movies, you'll be familiar with that. Then there's Ouija Shark 2. Mystic Shield reactivated. Oh my gosh. The Ouija Shark emerges from hell, because that's where Ouija Shark was from, to cause havoc once more on Earth. I've never heard of Ouija Shark 1. So it says it's a Wild Eye releasing film, which I am familiar with them. Anyway, how funny. So Ouija Shark 2. Then there is Windows 9, and this is the HorrorPack Limited Edition. So the HorrorPack Limited Edition is one that is more of an indie film, probably would not have gotten wide release, but you can get the Blu-ray only via HorrorPack, so it's kind of cool how it's limited edition like that. And this is a tragic accident killed her parents. Eliza is unable to walk and lives alone, blaming herself for the car crash. Someone posts a video, and she thinks that maybe they're actually killing people, and she has to find the killer before she's the next victim. So it looks like she witnesses a crime. So it looks like it's kind of like Rear Window, but you're looking online instead of out your window. You're looking on windows. And then the last one is Broadcast Signal Intrusion. You know, I have not heard of any of these films. How interesting. This is 3 years. James has been haunted by his wife's sudden disappearance. And there's some strange clips on TV that are connected to his missing wife. Interesting. So that's the Broadcast Signal Intrusion. Maybe someone's playing games with him. So there's that one, which is kind of similar to like Windows 9 sounding, using the technology to connect you to the killer. Then Ouija Shark 2 is fighting there with the giant alligator or crocodile, and then Forever Purge in 4K. So that is what was in. I haven't seen any of these, and I've heard of the Forever Purge, but I haven't heard of any of these other ones. So it'll be interesting to check these out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if you've seen any of these, and if you have anything to say about any of them. And that is it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching.